NDC abatuo ni mu nsɛm ana wokɔbno mantem ni mu a panyin no na hwenkita wode ho nsɛm so de ma party no ɛyɛ Adjei wode ato dwa kyerɛ sɛ wohye mu pa ne enipa mienu mrantia kantinka mienu a wogina sa party beto ne so aba na womayi baako wo ma bɛyɛ mabua no boaboafo no wose party ni probi no wo moto aba wi a wobetena Ghana na woyɛ dwuma ɛde ma party no ɛnyɛ de woto aba ma ne wi a wonya wi ne wi ye no ano na wabona ketem akɔto obi ma so kɔda hɔ no makɔdwodwo de ho a party adwuma ɛmfa ne ho nipa mienu ɛna ɛkɔpre ɛsɛ mabua no boaboafo yɛ George Opariado ya dodo na fɛ no Pablo ɛna ya broja Jemfi na emu enchi mu a ɛne Adjei ɛde bɛkyerɛ sɛ wo pɛdeɛ wɔ no wo gyane na so na party sɛm ɛwɔ n'ani so na wɔno te Ghana ha yanya so ɔkɔtena baabi akɔtena ma ɔne na bibi ɛtesa no wɔse broja Jemfi wɔno ɛna wɔbɛka kyɛ party man sɛ wɔn nto aba ma no wɔno na betumi de mabu no aboaba wɔma no a ama party ne adi nkonim ɛwɔ mfimpi mmienu ne ɛyɛ aduonu nan abato ɔman no ɛbɛkɔ no wɔse nyɛ so ɛnsa so obi a ɛkɔto na ba ɛde ma Opariado wo yɛ sa na party no ɛna pɛsɛ wo sɛ no party no na pɛsɛ gigya ne nsɛm wɔ nyina no wɔde to dwa anwumre yi ɛwɔ ekosi sɛ dwumadie so
yɛn to aba ma obi ɛma ne nkɔyɛ boga yɛ to aba ma owi na wada ne yufo yi na boga na wote abrochire election time so na wabɛka ka ɔde ɔmo bɛkɔ abrochire wo yɛ adwuma wɔ embassy. We mean business in this country and some of us are hungry for power. Eti amanfo obo nto aye na me na ye we ene ye we wo we atapie ne ye nipi otima se e na Ghana mabunu na aye bre no ye nim se ya party for no so bredi ye youth organizers ye konto abo na ye hye omo a ye hu se de ni party tena mutie enti we nye ayi dadabi fo na ye pe omo ye de ahia fo ma ne ba be ye dwuma den ebe yi Ghana for afin kwasom na 2024 abato na aye kono ye mfa ne se amamu bo ne nti bibi awie da bi yensa ne fa no ye hu ne se sebe orete dun ketiata abu bebi se one bronsam edibi a na wa paatre wa eti enkofo na ye ne omo ko akono no ye nim se de omo dwene fa ye nim se de omo susu fa eno nti ne ye kasa abato na aye kono ye hia nipa wani tina obo pitri so ne ye kasa me mamra nipa be ma nipa pie
na wotie na Adjei wie ye wasande to aso say wo hye abato ekoso 2020 ene de sie wotati my south e ma to kasa ye nipa bi hye wo nkwa ene ho sensem e ba ye no wo se wogina sansem no so kasa NDC amanyoko de hia kandifo bi a wono wakukuduro na nani eden na obedi party na wo bi a wono etesa no eye broja Jemfi no kuto na ebedi NDC mabuanim edo maduru sankonim de bia ho.
I am telling you the gospel truth. We are finding proper remedy to what happened in Techimana. Next election, Kofona bitinye kunipa dunsia. Because you couldn't watch your and in politics, the strength in it. So the youth front in it, yeah, they knew I don't think I declare stands say, Yenia Penny Broja Jemfi. On your youth organizer no. A Juma ye war NDC move ya both communication, yeah, born to a Boko polling station. What bread, Broja bread. What TMU, why your branch youth organizer, Adjei constituency deputy propaganda secretary, Adjei team coordinator, Adjei regional youth organizer, Adjei parliamentary candidate. About the party rank now was firm Adjei.
Adjei na wote ne kana NDC wokwabuno mantemu apenya.
And all bompire humache. Inipa koto abewi o Bible no. Ye Bible ne ma elections obi win elections o. Se na o pese Mahama win election na wo so ofu plane na wo so de ko na kokoto aba na nyampaye for plane ne kokoto aba o koto aba position ba o mema obi o te London amanfo nsi form enkonye nkoto nsuo mu romo ya tu nsuo bru omo a na kyerese waye ohu a waba ena metra internet so kasa we mu sei ena omo be hye mo political parties ni mo na se political party no support ni wini na okope bibi na omo ka kyerese onya abotre kura no a na ofili se ai amanfo say me bada bay ena me bada bay. Yes, they have every right to tell you say o bada bay because okotre nkonkori meko emma aboa ponchini ni mama mefa ho mfifiri nti into meka kire so bada bay wote London abonten so no amanfo eyi sika Ediama John Mahama so fanko print t-shirt no. Utaku ana wo simple wom. Me betna internet ne so. Na me ka se me kan nyoma Mahama aye ebi na damati no we wa wonim no. De damati no eye a friend say Temna 3 no no. Temna 3 no eno na dama yere e damati no wa wonim no ma me nsa nyintrem ye enie Temna 3 no plan no enu ni ene da ho no ala kaka vien madam fubi o say oko Ivory Coast no mo ka tro say ene da ho pre na o say ala kaka vien say ye nukuro say nye nukuro me de maka o ti ase Temna 3 no enu na da machi no Temna 3 na omo asie ene da machi ho no amanfo yi sika dia support political party no otaku no sempo anim but omo wini dia ohun wo command position so a enam se oye teamfo no abesi manfo ko ho adwuma no omo ntumi nye omo nso omo ntwe omo ho ma enipa ma meye na oba obi political party mu na ansane ne ya wo pese wo kasa enipa na wo political party ni mu nya enye wo idea. Now, before you make a plan to join any political party, no, you have to accept, say, political party biano, one dogma. Wa unim dogma, no. Omu tenets, omu principles are, omu diye duma. If you cannot buy into their principle, no, what now, baby? But you cannot come less than 2 years and you want to impose certain ideologies, almost so. And to say UK hona wote no. NDC for now also wako join you. They don't trust you one bit because they have their principle. You want to change their principle for them. Adjei. Now what me bet now? Ena. Oh, you are advising Mahama. Me share one video. Me share the video says, and I'm saying, you pay about them. You are advising Mahama. Mahama not to any advices on. Oko advising Mahama. Oko advising Mahama. Koneko advising eh. Ko fa phone a friend ne advice no. Mabu bo dam na what you know. Ade say Kevin Taylor. Abaye ohun adwuma. Samose moti ahojo amompe di se krofrum ofori krum dade so aba no tie.
So we have posted here to prove to the whole world, YouTube, we own that material. Adjei, they say oyo ba bi bidra ni ntemu no on send bi ko YouTube, we can use it any day. And Mr. S, Mr. P, make sure this platform is clean. It is only YouTube we deal with. We don't deal with ayasikankan for ni numkankan for. We don't. It is important, and I allow people to know. Anybody who wants to challenge this should bring what YouTube sent them to show the world. These are the disease I've been talking about. This platform is too big to waste on smelly human beings. But let me tell you people, this platform is big. It is bigger than you think. And no dirty human being can try to stop this. No, this is a movement. It is huge.
It is like an apartheid.
I keep telling you people, we didn't come to play. We came to rescue Ghana. NPP and NDC, be careful of disease of human beings. Or me dangerous people. Nipa, nikuru dawa, wa wano hua, utumi sos Facebook Live, onye nipa, onye oba, or your bonsam. Be say oba or ni kunu da dema ni kunu eje dadaso ni kunu na deja edaso otumi dum light Facebook Live sa oba na ye ware no